Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a flat circle. I am using this yarn ball and a 5mm crochet hook for my project. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot, or you can make 6 chains, or otherwise you can make a magic ring to start your work also. I am using the method of making a magic ring. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. These will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over and pull back through. Now we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 2 into the magic ring. Then make double crochet 3. Then double crochet 4. And this way make 13 double crochets into the ring, including the 3 chain. Now pull this yarn and now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now first round is completed. For the second one, make 3 chains again, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and after that make a double crochet into the same chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch. This is an increased round and we would make 2 double crochets into each stitch. So now we have 2 double crochets including the 3 chain. Now into the next double crochet stitch, make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. After that make 2 double crochets into the next double crochet stitch, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now make 2 double crochets into the next double crochet stitch, and in this way make double crochet stitches in every stitch 2 times and complete the second round. I have made 2 double crochets in every stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Second round is completed and now we would start our 3rd round. For the 3rd one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet, and make an increased double crochet stitch into the same chain 3 again. So this is the increased stitch. Now into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and after that into the next stitch we would make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Into the next one make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way we would make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet, and complete our round. My 3rd round is finished. Now make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and for the 4th round again make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and again make another double crochet stitch into the same chain 3 which is an increase. After that, into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the next one, again make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch, which is the third stitch, make an increase again. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now again make double crochet in next 2 stitches, and into the third one again make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, and complete the round, repeating the process of making 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain to complete the fourth round. Now the fourth round is also completed. For the fifth one, you would make 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and then increase again. So we would increase the simple double crochet stitches in every round one time, and in this way we would make larger size flat circle for any project. You can use this circle to make bags, you can use this circle to make baby hats, or whatever project you like. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and then all option also to get notifications. Take care. Bye.